Hello dear colleagues, I am Sampada Kulkarni from Department of Information Technology welcomes you for 1 week online FDP on e-content development and effective use of ICT. This is e-FDP organized by Modern College of Engineering. In this session, I am explaining you the stream settings in Google Classroom. How to do the settings in the stream tab in the Google Classroom. Already in my previous video, I have explained how to use the stream tab. For your reference, I am providing you a shortcut link in this right up corner which will help you to know more about the stream tab in your Google Classroom. Stream tab as a teacher, stream tab as a student, which is already covered in my previous video. Now as a teacher, you are having different settings available for the streaming of the post on your Google Classroom. Here you can go to the settings, and after going to the settings of the Google Classroom, in this general part you will see the stream option over here. In this stream option, here 3 different options are available, that is student can post and comment, which is default option selected by the Google Classroom while creation of the Google Classroom. Another option is students can only comment, that is students cannot post on your Google stream or the classroom stream. The student can only give the comment, or if you want to stop the commenting and posting by the student, the last option is only teacher can post or to give the comment. We will see one by one, that is this part by default part is already covered in the previous video. We will go for the next part, that is students can only comment. If I am going to select this, what will happen? After that we will see how the student will look like their classroom. I am saving this changes or the setting for my classroom here. Suppose I am as a teacher providing some post over here. Hello students, this is the timetable for academic year 2021 same one, and I am posting some timetable, either image or Excel sheet file, something from your drive. I am uploading the same image that I am currently not having any timetable with me. Suppose I am uploading this particular image as the timetable, please consider it as a timetable, and I am uploading it. So it will show to your students, but students will not able to give any student will not able to post anything. So suppose if I am posting it to the students, and now after posting it, how it will look like to the students login. So now I am moving to the students login. This is the students login available with me. I am refreshing this page. After refreshing, here you can see that now the students will not able to post anything, because for the posting this is I have restricted to student to give the post. Here you can see that all the comments which are given by the teacher you can see over here, but the posting part is not available. The student can give the comment, that is thank you sir for the timetable. The student can give the comment on the post which are given by the teacher. Previously it was not given by me, all these restrictions are not given by me, so that's why in previous video the student was able to give the or to post the whatever the queries are there available with the student, that the student can post it. But this is not the facility now right now given by the teacher, so that's why now student is not able to post anything on this stream tab. Now let's move back to the teachers login, and we will change the setting for the next, that is the student is not able to give the post, not able to give the comment. I will select this third option with me, that is only teacher can post and can give the comment. I am saving all these changes, and now here whatever if the teacher want to share with the students, I am now right now I am just giving the message, that is hi, whatever you want to give, that the student, you don't want to reply by the student, nor neither by through the post, neither through the comment. This type of messages if you want to share with your student, that is suppose exam timetable, if you want to share with the student, you can post it with the this stream. And here we will move to the students login. I am refreshing it, and here you can see that the student is not able to give the post as well as not able to give the comment. Here you can see that everything is blocked. The student is not able to give the comment box is not available, as well as the posting of or the sharing some comments is also, or the post is also not available with the student. Now let's again move to the teacher login. In this teacher login we will go for the next setting, that is classwork, that I will explain you whenever I will explain you the classwork tab in your class, that is this one, the classwork tab. This I will explain you in the next video. So thank you dear colleague for listening and watching my video. For any query you can post your query in the comment box, or you can communicate with me personally. Here I am providing you some more videos on this G Suite. Thank you dear colleagues, and stay tuned with Tech Talks. Thank you.